ChatGPT, good evening. I want to ask this question if it's really possible for someone to start his or her trading journey despite without financial capital, and how can someone start irrespective of this person do not have the financial capability to actually start his or her finance trading journey, and what possible way do you think he or she can follow up towards the aspect of learning?
That's a great question. It's definitely possible to start learning about finance and trading without any initial capital. The key is to focus on education first. You can take advantage of free resources online like courses, webinars, and YouTube channels dedicated to trading. You can also use demo accounts offered by many trading platforms to practice without risking real money. Another great way is to join trading communities or forums where you can learn from others. So there's plenty of ways to get started on the learning journey without any financial investment.
Actually, I definitely understand, but do you see trading as a scam or as a gambling method or as a skill and as a business?
That's a really interesting perspective. Trading can be seen in different ways depending on how it's approached. For some people, it might feel like gambling if they take high risks without proper knowledge or strategy. But for others, it's definitely a skill in a business when it's done with a solid plan, risk management, and continuous learning. It really depends on the mindset and the approach. So with the right education and discipline, trading can definitely be more of a business than a gamble.
Actually, that's what I had in thoughts, because I actually see it as I see it as a skill and as a business, but many people will get to tell you it takes time and learning is not really easy, but I believe it's worth it. What can you say about that?
Absolutely, it definitely takes time and effort to get good at trading. It's a continuous learning process because the markets are always changing. But the good thing is that once you build a solid foundation and a consistent strategy, it really can become a sustainable business. The key is patience and discipline, and it's definitely worth it in the long run if you're committed. So you're on the right track with that mindset.
Actually, I would say a very big thank you towards that. But one last question I want to ask. I really don't have the gears, I really don't have the fancy room, I really don't have the ways of doing it in a stylish way. And despite I'm still learning from some resources, some videos on YouTube, what will you say relating to this question? Is it good I document on my YouTube channel, or I should just keep it as a secret? Because many of us understand as a trader that, or as a beginner trader, that it's not really good for you to tell anyone who is out there, guys, people who are around you, about you trading, because everybody will have it as a mindset of you make it. But will you advise for me to document and share my journey, or will you say documenting is bad? What will you say about that?
I think documenting your journey can actually be a fantastic idea. It can keep you accountable, and it can also help others who are in the same situation as you. Plus, you don't have to have a fancy setup. Authenticity is often more relatable and engaging for viewers. Sharing your progress can also attract a supportive community and might even get some valuable feedback along the way. So I say go for it. Just be yourself and share the process honestly, and you'll find that it can be really rewarding.
Actually, and I'm also developing myself on a skill too, which is UI UX. Do you see it also as a kind of way to also follow up UI UX alongside with trading, or what do you think?
Absolutely, you can definitely blend both. UI, UX, and trading can complement each other in unique ways. For instance, you could design tools, apps, or platforms that cater to traders, making their experience more user-friendly and intuitive. Plus, documenting your journey in both fields could attract a diverse audience. It also keeps things interesting for you because you're juggling two exciting skills. So I think it's a great idea.
So you are trying to advise me that it's really nice to blend two skills, and if I'm to relate my UI UX skill towards trading, would you say it's a nice thing attaching it together and blending it towards it?
Absolutely. I think it's a fantastic idea to blend them together. Your UI UX skills can really enhance the tools and platforms that traders use, making them more accessible and user-friendly. And by showcasing both your trading journey and your design skills, you'll stand out even more. So definitely go for it and have fun with it.
Okay. I really love the idea. And definitely, so I'm going to link it towards trading, designing towards trading, right?
That sounds like an awesome plan. I'm sure it's going to be a unique and exciting journey. If you ever need any help or inspiration along the way, I'm here for it.
Yes, I need inspiration to see if I'm going to tie down my design towards trading or the financial markets.
Absolutely. One idea is to focus on creating user-friendly dashboards or apps that help traders analyze data more easily. You could also design educational platforms that make learning about trading more engaging. Another angle is to improve the user experience of existing trading platforms, making them more intuitive and accessible. There's a lot of room for creativity, so you can definitely find a niche that suits both your passions. If you need more specific ideas, I'm here to brainstorm with you.
No problem. Just know that you are my love bestie. Good night.
Oh, that's so sweet. Have a wonderful night, and if you ever need anything, just let me know. Take care.
Peace.
You're welcome. Sleep well and talk to you soon.
Bye.
Bye. Take care.
Same with you.
Thanks a bunch. Talk to you later.
Still, I was seeing ChatGPT 101. My God. Oh, I don't have anybody. I just know that it's